to unboxing of the Instapot pot. Wow, we joined the club. Very nice. And now we'll do an unboxing and our first meal, a recipe 101 from Cow Root Pig and Wife, known as the Lost RVers. Well, it's a thing on YouTube, isn't it? Instapot cooking. We just couldn't resist. So, Instapot review coming up. How exciting is this? Holy cow. Bye. Well, there she be, whatever it is. It looks like a crock pot. It acts like a crock pot. Maybe it's a pressure cooker. Maybe it's a little bit of both. What will we get out of it tonight? Yummers, yummers, yummers. Bread, pot. Cool. Zip. Well, why don't you read the instructions?
Okay. I just want to poke at it. Okay. How do you open it? More controls. Cancel. Press to stop.
Approach it like a bomb.
Stand
Oh my
off.
God. Going slowly. Probe. Remember the army? You probably probe. It's like it looks like one of those landmines, man. This is how you used to do it with your bayonet. Leave your palm open and you just probe until you hit it. And if you hit it too hard, boom. What is this thing? Instapot. We don't know how to open it up, but I didn't. See,
wait,
guys. Oh my God.
Not open lid.
It's up.
How do you know?
Because if you push it down with this probing instrument here. See?
Watch, it'll spray out. Don't.
We
How do you stop?
We
How do you
don't
open?
know.
Grab lid, turn it over, lift.
Oh, we're so close. Food.
Oh, I said see.
Yeah, so this is a very in-depth. What's all these buttons? Did you even look? Nah, she just threw some food in there and said, turn it on. Look at all these things.
Remove, remove.
And it's, look at, it's counting upwards.
Install. Remove and install.
Open. Let's just go to the very back of it. Look under open. Oh my God.
Install.
Okay, this is
Quick
getting
release.
Quick release.
Press. Press.
Oh my
quick
God.
release button down until it clicks.
All right. Yeah.
Why am I pressing? Oh hell!
There we got it. There we got it. I pushed it. There we go.
If it spatters, occurs.
Run for the hills, man.
Is this normal?
And look at it, it's counting up another 4. I don't understand it. I didn't do it though. This is strictly, I didn't even know this was coming. It was a surprise deal.
I was gonna record it.
Well, we're recording it now. All right, we'll be back. But this is the Instapot review of a chunk of meat. I'm not really sure what kind.
Pot roast.
Pot roast. Is there anything?
Mississippi pot roast.
Mississippi pot roast.
It smells good.
It smells excellent. But it's only been an hour and this big chunk of meat, so I don't know how this is supposed to work.
Chunk of meat.
See ya. It had a mother. It probably had a father too. Dad's gonna blow. Turn to the right. Turn to the right.
Wait.
Counterclockwise. I don't know what she's doing.
Wait. Close. Open. Is it done? I don't think it's done.
How would we tell?
I'm gonna put the thermometer in it.
So this
Move.
I can't stop. Ooh. So this is an Instapot first for us. Here's the instructions. Here's a story. When I made my first thing of bread, I just looked up a bread recipe in that, what was that big fat book of yours? You know, for a whole loaf. I mean, for a big loaf.
Oh my gosh.
And it looked like something out of a comedy.
It's just falling apart.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
And how long was that?
An hour.
An hour. Okay.
Look at that.
Wow.
Try some.
It's frozen in the center.
No, it's no, it's not.
It's pretty hard.
Try it.
I don't want to try it. It's like a dead rat, baby.
Oh God. It's just the meat.
Aren't you supposed to put potatoes and stuff in there?
I could have, I guess, but I didn't know. I've only made. This is the only time.
Well, there you go, folks.
What do you mean it's
there you
frozen?
go.
Look at that. Okay.
There you go. And this pot review on the spot, Johnny. We thought we had a bomb going. All right, see you guys. That was actually great. How was it in the center? Real quick.
I'm trying.
But it did cook it in an hour, regardless if it's still frozen in the center.
No, it's not frozen. I didn't even. Well, although you can put stuff.
Well,
in.
don't chop it apart. Leave it in, maybe.
No, chunk it out.
Chunks out.
Chunks
All right,
out,
folks. Yeah, yum, yum. That's our recipe. A hunk of meat in a pot. See ya. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See ya. Put it back in. Threw in some vegetables. Let's see what we get here. All right. So my wife calls. Holy Mississippi pot roast. And it's been cooked a whole. I mean, it was a big roast. The potatoes only took 9 minutes to cook, supposedly. So, the Instapot cooks very fast. We'll try it out. We'll be back. Shit. So if I use this, I have to say that it works great. It tastes great. It doesn't look very good, but it's very tasty. Cook those potatoes in 8 minutes. 8. Cook that 3-pound roast in about 45 minutes. That's it. That's the Instapot review. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.